Hello everyone, my name is Sanggina Mediana Fitrianingsih. I will explain how many IP can be used using Subnet 30. Subnet 30/ is an important component in IP address management in computer network which allows efficient and limited use. This subnet is suitable for point-to-point connection that connect two devices directly. Two IP addresses are used for the host, one for the network address and one for the broadcast address. This means that in each 30/subnet, there are only two hosts that can unite directly. While it might seem small, this approach minimizes IP address bus, which is especially valuable in environments where IP resources are very limited. When using the 30/subnet, there are four IP addresses available. Number 1, network address. This address is used to identify the network. On a 30/subnet, the network address is usually an address with all host bits set to 0. Number 2, broadcast address. This address is used to send message to all hosts on the network. In the 30/subnet, the broadcast address is usually an address with all host bits set to 1. Number 3, host address 1. This address is used for the first host in the network. This host address has the same 30 bits as the network address, but the last two host bits are set to 0. Number 4, host address 2. This address is used for the second host in the network. This host address has the same 30 bits as the network address, but the last two host bits are set to 10. Another advantage of using the 30/subnet in that it minimizes the possibility of domain collision within the network. By limiting the number of hosts that can connect directly to each other, the subnet minimizes the risk of IP address conflict. In the way, network management becomes easier and more efficient. Additionally, the use of the 30/subnet allows more efficient routing. With only two hosts directly connected in a single subnet, routing overhead can be reduced, thereby improving overall network performance. However, it is important to remember that the 30/subnet may not be suitable for every network situation, although efficient in terms of IP address usage. This subnet has limitations in the number of hosts that can be supported in a single subnet. Therefore, subnet selection should consider overall network requirements, including the expected number of hosts, security requirements, and performance consideration. So, while the 30/subnet is useful to in IP address management, the decision to use it should be based on a careful analysis of practical network needs and requirements. Thank you.